Start. Cherry. Yeah. Happy birthday. Che, happy birthday. Wow, dalagang-dalaga na. Daming humahabol, di ba? Mahabol naman. Joke lang, Che. Anyway, my twin has something to say. Che, wish you more birthdays to come and may God always guide you and bless you more in life. And hopefully, we're going to see each other again, both of us, my twin. You're getting more sexy, you know. Okay, Che. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ikaw na off. Sure.